Hey there, Chris Woods from Daily STEM, and I'm a beginner at 3D printing, and I'm going to show you how to become a beginner at 3D printing. I'm going to try to make this tangram shape using the program Tinkercad. Go to tinkercad.com. Basically uses all these pre-made shapes, and kids love to build, so they're going to love this. You can zoom in and out and turn and view it from every direction. I'm going to measure this in millimeters because that's what this program uses, and then we're going to export it as a file and send it to the 3D printer. You want to make sure that this is flat on the bed. And right up here is where you export, and you can export as different types of files or even for laser cutting. I'm going to use the STL file because that's what we use at our school, and I'll send it to my Google Drive and pull it up on the computer in our printing lab. And here we are at the computer that is hooked to the 3D printer that's right next to me. Printing right now. I'm going to drag my file onto the print bed on the program Flash Print. I'm going to grab Move, and I'm going to just make sure that it's in the middle of the print bed. That'll just make it easier time printing. I'm going to click Scale to make sure that it's the right size. 50 millimeters is what I made it in Tinkercad, and that's good. And I'm going to click Print. And there's a bunch of different options, but please make sure that you're using the right material type depending on what kind of filament you have. Standard resolution is fine. You can do slower or faster. Infill is important, how much you want to fill the inside to make sure you could fill it all the way up to 100% filled if you want it solid, but you don't usually need to do that. And click OK. And now this will save it to the desktop. And now it is slicing it. And after you click print, it'll just tell you the estimated print time, and you get to watch. That's the fun part. And when it's done printing, you might have to use a razor blade to get that off, but there's the piece, and here's our original.